All right, I'm Sean Labis from Guild Outfitters, and we are kind of an everything overlanding shop. We have stuff from FSR rooftop tents, FSR tents, roof nest tents, we have awnings, we have roof racks, rock sliders. But what we're kind of known for is some plug and play electrical products here for Toyotas. And then we also try to give some stuff for just everybody that's out on the trail. So unfortunately, I came across some bad accidents on a trail one time, and I was left with Band-Aids. So what we started doing is selling first aid kits at cost. And so we have $30 first aid kits with everything you're gonna need for that really bad day. We sell them online at 30 bucks plus shipping. We sell them at the shows for just 30 bucks. We take them to every show that we go to. And then we have everything else for water bottles for your dogs to leashes, all kinds of stuff. We're based out of Columbus, Ohio, but we ship all over the country. We're happy to work with you.
And where can people find you?
At guildoutfitters.com. We're also going to be here at Flagstaff again next year. We're going to be at the Redmond, Oregon Overland Expo this June, and again next year as well. And sometimes we pop up at some other shows.
All right, thank you.
Thank you.